Combination of resistors. First is series combination. Suppose R1, R2 and R3 are three resistances and we connect them like this, one resistance behind the other. So this type of combination is known as series combination. Now we have to evaluate a formula for equivalent resistance. ये तीन रेजिस्टेंसेस हैं R1, R2 और R3, और अगर हम इनको एक के पीछे दूसरा रेजिस्टेंस इस तरह से कनेक्ट कर दें तो इस कॉम्बिनेशन को सीरीज़ कॉम्बिनेशन कहते हैं। अब हमें इसका इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना है, क्या होगा। सो वी कनेक्ट दिस कॉम्बिनेशन टू ए बैटरी and suppose potential difference across this combination is V volt and I current is flowing through this combination. अब ये मान लेते हैं कि अगर इसका इक्विवेलेंट R है तो एक हम ऐसा रेजिस्टेंस R लेते हैं, we choose a resistance R so that if we connect it to the same battery means potential difference across it is V and same current I flows through it, then this R is equivalent of these resistances connected in series. Now it is clear that current in each resistance is same. It is I. Suppose if V is volt, V is in volt and R is in ampere, then R is in ohm, then current is in ampere. But potential difference across each resistance is different. So here potential divides itself. Across R1 it is V1, across R2 it is V2 and across R3 it is V3. So in series current flowing through each resistance is same but potential difference across each resistance is different. So V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Now by Ohm's law we know that V is equal to IR. So for V it is written as IR, for V1 IR1 plus V2, so it is plus IR2 plus V3, so it is plus IR3. Now I cancels, so capital R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, which is equivalent resistance of this combination. So in series equivalent resistance is sum of all resistances. Now here three resistances 10 ohm, 8 ohm and 2 ohm, they are connected in series, and then a 10 volt battery is connected, RSL is connected to this combination. Now what is current flowing through each resistance? So I is equal to E upon R. Now here total resistance is R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is equal to 10 ohm plus 8 ohm plus 2 ohm. So this is equal to 20 ohm. So current I is equal to 10. Put the value of voltage across this. This is 10 volt divided by 20 ohm. This is equal to 0.5 ampere. Now potential difference across 10 ohm IR1, this is 0.5 into 10, which is 5 volt. Potential difference across 8 ohm IR2, this is equal to 0.5 into 8, which is equal to 4 volt, and potential difference across 2 ohm is equal to IR3, this is equal to 0.5 into 2 is equal to 1 volt. So here it is clear that potential difference across that resistance is more, whose resistance is more. Now sum of these potentials is V is equal to 5 plus 4 plus 1, which is equal to 10 volt. Now since V is equal to IR, so V is proportional to R. Since current in each resistance is same, this is the reason why potential difference across that resistance will be more, whose resistance is more. Now parallel combination of resistors. Suppose these are three resistances R1, R2 and R3, and we connect it like this, means one end of is resistance to a common point A and other end to other common point B. Now what is equivalent of this? So we will evaluate formula for that. Connect a cell so that potential difference across each resistance is V. and current given by cell is suppose I ampere. Now here I is proportional to 1 by R because V is same and we know that I is equal to V upon R. So current in that resistance will be more whose resistance is less. जिस resistance की वैल्यू कम होगी, resistance कम होगा, उसमें करंट ज़्यादा फ्लो करेगी. So at point A, this current I divides in three parts of I1, I2 and I3. Now it is clear that sum of these currents I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So in parallel, current distributes but potential difference across each resistance is same. Now suppose equivalent for this is R. So connect a cell across this R whose potential is potential difference across its terminals is suppose V when it is giving current I. So if same current flows through this resistance R, then we say that जितनी करंट यहाँ फ्लो हो रही है आई, वही करंट यहाँ आई फ्लो हो रही है. सो उस कंडीशन में हम ये कहेंगे कि दिस रेजिस्टेंस इज इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दीज रेजिस्टेंसेस, पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दीज रेजिस्टेंसेस. Now I is equal to V by R by Ohm's law. So V upon capital R for this I, which is total current, is equal to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. V cancels. So 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So in parallel, reciprocal of equivalent resistance is equal to sum of reciprocals of individual resistances. Now here three resistances, one is of 20 ohm value, other is of 10 ohm value, and third one is of 5 ohm value. These are connected to form a parallel combination. So they are equivalent. For their equivalent resistance, 1 upon R is equal to 1 by 20 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 5. LCM of 20, 10 and 5 is 20. So in denominator we have 20 and in numerator 1 plus 2 plus 4. This is equal to 7 upon 20. So R is equal to 20 upon 7 ohm. This is equal to 2.855 ohm, which can be written as 2.86 ohm. Thanks. Have a nice day.